I miss the way you look at me. I miss the things that only you can see. Now I stare in the mirror and think about what it is those people saw in me. And now I'm out here left alone, trying to find out how to be. I don't know if this is right. I know that you can't hear me. I don't want to start a fight. I don't want to lose my sight. I'm supposed to gain my sight now. Here and now, I venture among the crowd. I'm making plans, or making plans to make plans. I don't know where everything will go, but I know that those people saw a thing in me. I miss the way you look at me. Oh, I'm making plans, and I don't know how far they'll go, but someday I'm gonna see the world and remember that there was once a place where we could sit and dream and take a stand and feel alive and hold your hand and take a vow that I will live as doors allow. And it felt right.